Good morning, children. Today we are continuing second chapter polynomials. This is the third part, and today's topic is dividing polynomials or division of polynomials. This is presented by your mathematics teacher Padvija. In division of polynomials, what we are going to learn is division of a polynomial by a monomial and division of a polynomial by a polynomial. First, let us see an example regarding division of a polynomial by a monomial. The example is 16x power 6 minus 12x power 4 plus 4x square divided by 4x square. Here, a polynomial is divided by a monomial. So here, the polynomial in the numerator is dividend and the monomial in the denominator is divisor. From our lower classes, we have learnt that division of fractions means the denominator, when it comes up, it becomes reciprocal. Similarly, the reciprocal of 4x square is 1 by 4x square. And this 1 by 4x square is multiplied by 16x power 6 minus 12x power 4 plus 4x square. Thus, every term of the numerator is getting divided by 4x square or getting multiplied by 1 by 4x square. It is one and the same. Let us see the division of each term of the numerator by 4x square. 16x power 6 by 4x square will become 4x to the power of 4 as x power 6 by x power 2. The laws of exponent tells us that x power 6 by x power 2 becomes x power 6 minus 2, that is x power 4. And 16 by 4 becomes 4. So, the first term of the quotient becomes 4x power 4. Then the sign is minus and the second term is 14x power 4 by 4x square. X power 4 by x power 2 is x power 4 minus 2, that is x square, and 12 by 4 means 3. Thus the second term is 3x square and the third term is 4x square by x square, 4x square by 4x square, that is 1. Because a same polynomial is divided by same polynomial, that is 1. So, we got the answer or quotient as 4x power 4 minus 3x square plus 1. Thus, in division of a polynomial by a monomial, every term of the polynomial, that is dividend, is divided by the monomial, that is the divisor, and then a normal simplification is done and we got the answer. Let us see another example of a polynomial divided by a monomial. Here, dividend is 40x square minus 15x plus 5 and divisor is 5. You may get a doubt, 5 is not a monomial. No, 5 is a monomial with degree 0. Every constant is also a polynomial, or a polynomial with one term is called monomial. Every constant is also a monomial with degree 0. So, 4x square minus 15x plus 5 when divided by 5, again like the previous problem, every term of the numerator is divided by the denominator separately. That is 40x square by 5 minus 15x by 5 plus 5 by 5. Now, the denominator is not having any variable. So, the variable in the quotient or the answer will not change, will remain the same. Only the coefficients will change. That is, 40x square by 5 will give you 8x square. 15x by 5 will give you 3x. And 5 by 5 is 1. Thus, the quotient or the answer is 8x square minus 3x plus 1. From our lower classes, when we perform division, we check by doing this. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here, when you are dividing it directly, it means there is no remainder. So, divisor into quotient must give you dividend. 5 is the divisor. 8x square minus 3x plus 1 is the quotient. So, when we multiply these two, we get the dividend. So, we can conclude that the division performed by us is correct. So, children, this is the way we divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now let us see the division of a polynomial by a polynomial. To understand that, let us take an example. 6x cube minus 8x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 4. Here, 6x cube minus 8x plus 5 is dividend and 2x minus 4 is divisor. The prerequisition of performing the division is the terms of the dividend and divisor should be written in the standard form. Standard form means it should be all the terms should be written in the decreasing order of their degrees. Suppose in the dividend 6x cube is highest, then 8x power 1, then 5x power 0 or simply 5. And divisor is already in standard form 2x minus 4. And the second important thing what you must remember is, if any term is missing, suppose the highest degree is 3, so there should be square term, x term and constant number. Suppose here in dividend square term is missing, so we are going to insert the square term with the coefficient 0. When the coefficient is 0, it is confirmed that the product is 0 and that value will not change our polynomial which is taken as dividend or divisor. So, now you should understand that if the dividend is a cubic polynomial, there will be 4 terms. If the dividend is a square polynomial, there will be 3 terms. If the dividend is a polynomial of degree 4, there will be 5 terms. If any term is missing, we will insert it with the coefficient 0. Now, the dividend and divisor are ready and now we can perform the division. So, before performing division, we should remember these 2 points, that it should be in standard form and every term must be there. If it is not there, insert it. Now let us see an example of division of a polynomial by a polynomial, where 6x cube plus 11x square minus 31x plus 1 is the dividend, 3x minus 2 is the divisor. One more important thing, children, in our 9th class, while performing division, divisors will be taken as linear polynomials only, because later we have some other topic which is related to this. Now, The first point is they are written in standard form or not. Yes, the degrees of the dividend 3, 2, 1, 0. It is written in standard form. The degrees of the divisor 0 and minus 2. 1 and 0, that is 3x power 1 and minus 2 is a constant, so its degree is 0. So both dividend and divisor are written in standard form. Now whether all the terms are there or not. Yes. In dividend, a term of degree 3, degree 2, degree 1 and degree 0 are there. In divisor, degree 1 and degree 0 are there. So now we will write the division symbol and write the dividend inside and divisor outside. Now our division process starts. That is, first highest degree term of the dividend is divided by highest degree term of the divisor. 6x cube by 3x square, which gives 2x square. Now this 2x square is multiplied by the divisor 3x minus 2. We get 6x cube minus 4x square. This 6x cube minus 4x square is written below the same like terms in the dividend. That is, 6x cube minus 4x square is written below 6x cube plus 11x square of the dividend. Now, the third step is we have to perform division. We have to perform subtraction. When we do subtraction of polynomials, the sign will change. Plus 6x cube will become minus 6x cube. Minus 4x square will become plus 4x square. Thus, we are performing 3 operations in each step. First one is division, second one is multiplication, third one is subtraction. So, this total becomes one step. Every phase of division is covered with 3 steps. Now let us do the subtraction. Plus 6x cube minus 6x cube gets cancelled. And 11x square plus 4x square will give 15x square. Now we will bring down one term, minus 31x. Now it becomes, the dividend becomes 15x square minus 31x. Again the same process. Highest degree term of the dividend is divided by highest degree term of the divisor, that is 15x square is divided by 3x. It gives 5x. Then this 5x is multiplied by the divisor 3x minus 2. We get 15x square minus 10x. This is written below the dividend 15x square minus 31x. That is 15x square minus 10x. Now the next step is we perform subtraction. While performing subtraction, the signs will change. Plus 15x square will become minus 15x square. Minus 10x will become 10x. So plus 15x square and minus 15x square will get cancelled. And minus 31x plus 10x will give minus 21x and plus 1 will bring down. Now the dividend is 21x plus 1. Again the same procedure. Highest degree term of the dividend is divided by highest degree term of the divisor. Minus 21x divided by 3x is equal to minus 7. Then this minus 7 is multiplied by divisor 3x minus 2. We get minus 21x plus 14. Again, this is written under the terms of the dividend. Now, we perform subtraction. So, minus 21x becomes plus 21x. Plus 14 becomes minus 14. And minus 21x and plus 21x gets cancelled. And minus 14 plus 1 is minus 13. Now, degree of this 13 is 0 and degree of the divisor is 1. As soon as the degree of the dividend is less than the degree of the divisor, the division stops and this number is called the remainder. And thus, as soon as we get a term with the degree less than that of divisor, the division stops and that last term is called the remainder. Thus, the division process is over and the remainder is minus 13. So, you should understand 3 steps to continue your division process. Once you understand 3 steps, you can perform a division easily. So, this is the way we perform the division of a polynomial with a linear polynomial. Now, let us see another example that is in the before slide. Here, dividend is 6x cube minus 8x plus 5 and divisor is 2x minus 4. But here, because x square term is not there, we have inserted 0x square after the x cube term so that the dividend is written in standard form as well as all the terms are present. Now, the dividend and divisor are ready for the division. Let us start the process. Again, the first step is the highest degree term of the dividend divided by highest degree term of the divisor, that is 6x cube by 2x is equal to 3x square. Then this 3x square is multiplied by the divisor 2x minus 4. We get 6x cube minus 12x square. And this is to be subtracted from the terms of the dividend, that is 6x cube plus 0x square. Because we are doing subtraction, straight away I am writing the side changed symbols. That is, instead of plus 6x cube, I am writing here minus 6x cube. Instead of minus 12x square, I am writing here plus 12x square. Again, plus 6x cube and minus 6x cube gets cancelled. And 0x square plus 12x square will give 12x square. And now bring down minus 8x. Again, the same process continues. Highest degree term of the dividend divided by highest degree term of the divisor, that is 12x square divided by 2x is equal to 6x. 6x into divisor 2x minus 4 will give you 12x square minus 24. This 12x square minus 24 is subtracted from the terms in the dividend, that is 12x square minus 8x. Because we are subtracting this 12x square minus 24x, I am writing the polynomial with changed signs. Plus 12x square I am writing as minus 12x square. Minus 24x I am writing as plus 24x. Again, plus 12x square and minus 12x square gets cancelled. And 24x minus 8x is 16x. Bring down 5. Now the dividend is 16x plus 5. Again repeat the same procedure. Highest degree term in the dividend divided by highest degree term in the divisor. That is 16x divided by 2x is equal to 8. This 8 is multiplied by divisor again. 2x minus 4. We get 16x minus 32. Again this is to be subtracted from the terms in the dividend. Because we are subtracting, I am changing the signs and writing. Instead of plus 16x, I am writing minus 16x. Instead of minus 32, I am writing plus 32. That is, again 16x and minus 16x gets cancelled. And 5 plus 32 gives 37. Now degree of 37 is 0. And degree of 2x minus 4 is 1. As the degree of the dividend is less than the degree of divisor, the division process stops or ends. and thus this 37 becomes the remainder. In this way, we perform the division, which is very easy. If you find it difficult to do these problems, open this slide, try to go through it again and again, understand and feel yourself satisfied. Now, an instruction to all of you that every slide you have to write as a classwork, and after completing the classwork you have to answer the assignments in classwork itself. Every one of you can do it. It's very easy. If you are unable to do, go back to the slide, go through every step and understand and then do. So children, try to do it happily and satisfy yourself. Stay at home, don't go out, stay healthy and stay happy. So thank you for listening. Complete the work and be sincere. Thank you.